The following segment is sponsored by Ragu. What do fun football watch parties and holiday celebrations have in common? Great food, and everyone deserves to enjoy it. But the truth is, not everyone gets that chance. Lifestyle influencer Kennedy Chugg and Jolie Abreu, regional leader from the global nonprofit Lasagna Love, are joining us to share a few easy game day recipes and how we can help fight hunger. Both of you, welcome to the show.
Hi. Thank you.
So Jolie, let's start with you. What exactly is Lasagna Love?
Yeah, Lasagna Love is a nonprofit that was started during COVID by a mom who loves to cook and wanted to share with her community some of her home cooked food. She also loves to make lasagnas. She put a post out on social media asking if there were any families in need, and she would deliver a lasagna to their door, no questions asked. And then a lot of other people loved what she was doing and said, you know what, I could do that too, and how can I help? So now, about 3.5 years later, we're over 48,000 volunteers, and we've delivered more than 400,000 meals to 1.6 million people.
That is absolutely amazing. Okay, Kennedy, there's a long-standing partnership involved here. Tell us about that and why you're sharing game day recipes.
Yeah, so Lasagna Love and Ragu have partnered together, and they help connect volunteers to people in need of meals. And Alora, this is so great because Ragu has these new kettle cooked sauces, and it goes far beyond just lasagna, as delicious of a classic as that is. But we've got some fun, easy recipes that you could put together for game days or any upcoming family time.
All right, you said the word recipes. Can you share some for us?
Of course. So first we have these chicken parm lasagna bites, and this is kind of a fun play on lasagna. They've got these nice crispy edges, cheesy, bubbly centers, really one of my favorites. Next, I want to talk about this hot honey pepperoni pizza dip. This is so good for family events when you really want to just scoop up a nice bubbly bite of cheese, crispy edges, slightly spicy, but one of my favorites as well. And then I'm a firm believer that dinner time should be nice and easy and a simple meal. And so these are our Italian Sloppy Joe sliders. They're perfect for game day or just any easy weeknight dinner. They come together incredibly quick and are really, really delicious.
Okay, they look absolutely delicious. Jolie, how does someone become a Lasagna Love volunteer in their local community?
Sure, they can go right to our website, lasagnalove.org/volunteers, and as easy as 1, 2, 3, sign up as a volunteer and then get matched with families in their community.
Perfect. All right, one more time. Where can we go for more information?
lasagnalove.org.
Ragu.com is a great place where you can find tons of easy, simple recipes as well as more information about the new kettle cooked sauces as well.
Perfect. Kennedy and Jolie, thank you so much for being with us today.
Thank you.